Good morning and welcome back to this channel. I always like those windy days at White Rock Lake here in Dallas, Texas. You just know it's going to rain that day. And I don't know, it just sets a mood. Get out and smell the rain coming and walk your dog. I always kind of put a cowboy hat on some of these and kind of make it look like a cowboy, a Texan. Even though I hardly ever wear a cowboy hat, I do see them around town. There's still a little bit of cowboy left in Dallas. Just got kind of free on this one. Might have overdid the purple a little bit, but that's all right. Gives it a cool, rainy feeling. Hope everybody's doing good in whatever endeavors they're into. You can usually find me just painting in my studio. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning now. That's usually when I get going. I have coffee, and this morning I had an egg with a little bit of sausage. So I'm ready to go. This is White Rock Lake, right before the rain. I want to thank you for coming back to this channel. Hope everybody's well, and I hope the country's well. Thanks for coming back.